Hey everyone, welcome to another Railfanning video on FanRailer K. Today, we are railfanning at the Yonkers station in Yonkers, New York on the Hudson line and Amtrak Empire Corridor. It should be a lot of fun and I hope to see some good trains. So stay tuned, stay here, and enjoy the video.
This is the train to Hudson. The next station is Hudson.
Here's B32. Here he comes. See ya. Take care, gentlemen. Yep. Here's our one and only P32, guys. There he is. This is the train to Grand Central. So this is the only P32 here. So that's pretty cool. There he goes. Closing in the back. Closing up in the back. Here he goes. Alright, here he goes. Here he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Let's go.
The next station is Hudson.
Looks like it's probably a dead end. Yeah, it's... Here comes a deadhead. Oh, it's the employee locomotive. That was the employee tribute locomotive on that one. Yes, that one's going to Poughkeepsie. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this railfanning video. We saw some great trains including M7As, P32s, R211Ss, and P32-214 with the employee tribute for Metro North's 40th anniversary. Unfortunately, I was not able to see any Amtrak trains because there was one around the time when I got there, but I missed it because I got a late start and I wouldn't be able to catch it in time. But I still saw those trains that I listed, which were the M7As, P32s, R211Ss outside the Kawasaki Maintenance Facility, and most of all, P32-214 with the employee tribute pictures on the side of the train. I hope you guys enjoyed this railfanning video. Make sure to subscribe for more channel content on FanRailerK. Stay safe out there, and keep on rolling.